Hey class, this is Mr. Five. We're going to talk about what we're going to be covering this week in math class. So the big thing is we're going to just continue talking about how to complete long division. We'll review how to do it using partial quotients and using our basic division facts or our rules and steps that we talked about. The big thing that we're going to add into what we cover in class this week is how to divide decimals. So we're going to take a look at the couple ways we talked about how to complete long division. So we're going to review how to use partial quotients, and we're also going to review the steps that we talked about that does McDonald's sell cheeseburger recipes. I think either way will work, and we've talked about how they both work, and they both come up with the same quotient. So I think that'll be something good to add some more practice to this week. The biggest thing with this week, though, we are going to do a lot of word problems to see how division is a part of our everyday life. Then we're going to learn how to divide decimals. When we divide a decimal, the basic rules for dividing decimals is just to make the divisor a whole number. Once you do that, then we're just going to divide like we learned to do last week. So I have an example on here that we can take a look at. So in this example, they give you the problem and then they put it into the way we've talked about how to divide. So the first thing we're going to do is take the divisor and make it a whole number. So we're going to move the decimal over one spot to the right. And since we move it one spot to the right here, the dividend also has to move one spot to the right. Once you move it, you're going to bring the decimal point straight up, and then we're just going to complete our division. So I think it's going to be pretty easy to catch on to this. It's just one more step about moving the decimal before we start. But once again, we'll be practicing a lot of dividing this week, and hopefully everyone keeps getting a lot more confidence in themselves because I know you guys can do it. So let's just get right to work this week, have some fun, and we'll do a lot of dividing.